Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from AgriMetSoft Research Company, and today I'm going to show you how to make a line graph on Excel. So line graphs are used to track changes over short and long periods of time, and also when speaking of small changes, the line graphs are very better than the bar charts, and you can follow the trends in a very better way. So here you can see that we have one column of dates and the other column of my data, which are runoff data. So here I simply go to Insert tab and click on this line option here. It says Insert Line or Area Chart. So I just select one of them, and you can see that Excel itself can guess something based on your data. So it has put the date for the x-axis and the runoff for the y-axis. So here you can see your chart presented, and the things you can change here is of course the design of your chart. You can select any design presented here for your chart. You can also go to this title, you can change it. You can go to this plus option shown here. If you click on that, you can see the chart elements. For example, you can have the axis titles, you can have the data labels, which I don't recommend if you have too many data. They are not very easy to consume, so I will just uncheck it. You can have the data table. Again, I don't recommend if you have too many data. You can have the error bars, grid lines, legend, which is I think is a useful option, and you can have the trend line also and up down bars. Another thing is the style, which I mentioned above, and the colors. So you can change your colors to the desired color, and that's it. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumb up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.